Good morning. Just a quick little video to give you an update on what's happening with construction in the building. As you just saw, they're bringing the water line into the building. This will be for the sprinklers. They're doing this while little school is out this week. Several exciting things since I've last done a video. We got the lift in. Took several days to get that done. Going up towards the youth room. Sprinklers have moved up this way. Those will be painted so they'll look better. Cabinets in the office. Glass in the windows. Most of the painting is done. New office is back here. Cabinets. Robin's office. Got the first coat of paint. Mail room. Big thing is the bathrooms are almost finished. Bathroom upstairs will be finished this week. These should be finished shortly. Got the partitions in, tile is finished. They've got the ceiling in several places. Looks really good and clean. The ceiling in here. Most of the painting is done out in the auditorium, which you see that every Sunday. Got the glass in the windows since the last time I've done this. And the bathrooms, this is the ladies. That's it, thanks.